The 1992 United States men's Olympic basketball team, nicknamed the Dream Team, was the first American Olympic team to feature active professional players from the National Basketball Association. The team has been described by American and international journalists as the greatest sports team ever assembled. The Naismith Memorial Basketball Hall of Fame called the team the greatest collection of basketball talent on the planet. At the 1992 Summer Olympics held in Barcelona, the team defeated its opponents by an average of 44 points, en route to the gold medal against Croatia. Chuck Daly served as the team's head coach, assisted by Lenny Wilkens, P.J. Carlesimo, and Mike Krzyzewski. The Olympic Games were originally intended only for amateur players. As a result, the United States could only use college players and had to build a national team from scratch every 4 years, as all American players turned pro after the Games and thus were no longer available for selection. On the other hand, the communist countries used full-time professionals who were given phantom jobs to circumvent the amateur rules. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.